Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Okay, so today I'll be trying out this Clean and Clear daily scrub. Okay, so nowadays I am literally obsessed with Clean and Clear face wash, that pink wala bottle morning fresh. Yeah, so I am liking that a lot. So I thought to try this scrub also, like maybe it could be better than previous one like I used to use. So we'll try that out and let you guys know like how it's working and all those stuffs. And if you haven't seen my previous video, previous as in before, when I tried that Himalaya ka scrub, no, Everyuth ka scrub, so like how I take care of my skin and all those stuffs, so I'll put that link on that I button or in the description box. You can have a look. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'll take my hair behind so it don't get spoiled. Okay, ready? Okay, so what we have to do is first shake it. The voice is coming. I think it is literally liquidy, in the liquidy form, not like other scrubs. Yes, it is totally liquid. I feel this is face wash, not a scrub. The smell is really nice. I am liking it. It's sweet smell, like a fruit flavor, yeah. I think I need to take more. No, it's not working. Literally, I'm feeling like it's a face wash. Like Himalaya ka face wash you get now with granules inside it. The same way it is feeling like scrub. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like, I don't know, scrub is like harsh on skin and this is really soft. And if it is soft, then how will it remove dead skin from your face? So no, it's a big no from my side. But then also, I'll wash my face, I'll have a look and then check it out. I wonder how will this remove my blackheads? I think it's done. Nothing is working out. I'll go and wash my face. Okay guys, so I've stopped using napkins nowadays. I use tissue papers only and it's really good for skin. That's what I feel is like putting money on tissue paper is far better than wasting money on those creams for your skin. So yeah, prevention is better than cure. So if you're putting money in prevention, then it's way better. Hey guys, so to be frank enough, I can't feel any difference. But yeah, if I see in mirror, I can feel little difference. But what I feel is like इतना तो face wash से भी हो सकता है. So it's not needed like to use that scrub and buy that scrub. It's like literally no for me. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like my video and what all other videos you would like to see. And if you have tried and if you have other reviews or like other experience of same product, then do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.